To get to configuring teams, you need to get into the technician or the user portal. As an administrator, click on the link next to the alert sign, the user link. This takes you to the technician portal. In this technician portal, we can configure the teams. First, we click on the parent tab of user and again the subtab of users as shown. The LDAP imported list of technicians shows up here. You can see that by default, Service Desk has assigned some processes for each technician. Now we need to allocate the additional types of operations that they'll perform. We can do that by selecting each user and editing them to give the additional operations. Note, you can also select multiple technicians and click on bulk to allocate them operation rights. You can also allocate rights to internal processes. It is a good thing to assign technicians their geographic and local time zone because this would help when you are geographically spread or if you have shifts. Click on Help to get additional information about the other fields which you can configure. Now that you have given technicians the operation rights, we can group them into teams. Click on the Teams tab as shown, and you will see that there is already a couple of default teams created by Service Desk, along with the workflows that the default teams can use. You can click on the Store team and duplicate it to create the Service Request team. That team can handle service requests. You can also edit the existing team and provide the details like incoming email address. Note that you need to configure a specific incoming email for the team by using alias. You can also set a display name for the team that end users will see when they get a mail back from Service Desk. That way, you can have different teams handle HR, housekeeping, stockroom, etc. You can also set layers here. Make it a point to remove the system supervisor from the selected technicians and add the people whom you want to be part of that team, as shown in this video. You can select specific capabilities for technicians. For example, you can see that 2 administrators have been given incident and service request operation rights in the user portal for the intent of covering people who email into the system using the German language. You can add the same people to be part of multiple teams. You can also select multiple technicians and select their supervisor while assigning them their operations. You can check the results of your work once again to ensure that you have assigned the supervisors and any managers if required. Also, depending on organizational requirements, ensure that you have set appropriate layers to handle the quantum of work that you think is inbound.